Well, lifting the Dow this morning, Walmart. Shares are jumping on that earnings beat. Courtney Reagan has more on the retailer's quarter. Hey, Court.
Hi, Morgan. So the markets, of course, we know have been worried a little bit about an economic slowdown, but Walmart's results show the opposite, at least when you're thinking about the consumer. So the world's largest retailer saw its comparable U.S. sales top analyst estimates growing at 2.8%. That's the 20th straight quarter of growth for that metric. Grocery, a big contributor to the gains, though Walmart says sales strength actually was pretty broad-based, picking up after a slower start to the quarter from some disruptive weather. E-commerce sales, those contributed about half of the comparable sales gains. U.S. net sales by themselves grew 37%, and that matches the growth rate we saw from the first quarter. It's also slightly above the 35% full-year guidance for that metric. Now, in mid-May, Walmart announced it was rolling out free next-day online order delivery in several markets. Today, it said it's already available in 75% of the country. That actually was the original goal for the end of the year, so they're ahead of that. And Walmart's U.S. operating income also up 4%. That's growing for the fifth straight quarter. It was down, though, 2.9% overall. Now, Walmart upped its annual forecast for earnings, revenues, and comp sales after beating analysts' expectations on all three metrics this quarter. That guidance does include the impacts of the List 4 tariffs, at least as the company currently understands them, was sort of their verbiage this morning. The retailer slightly lowering its international net sales guidance. They did cite some economic weakness in Canada and Brexit concerns continuing to weigh on the business in the UK. Now, I asked CFO Brett Biggs his view of the U.S. economy. And he said, look, we're watching. Tariffs have been on our mind for the last several months. And as a CFO, you're also going to look forward at what could be coming. But we've seen over the years that Walmart does pretty well in different kinds of economic environments.